Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM security roles step by step clearly. To begin restoring Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM security roles, log into your Dynamics 365 CRM environment. Navigate to the settings area by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, choose security from the options available. Next, click on Security Roles to see the list of currently available roles. Identify the security role that you need to restore. If the role has been deleted or modified, ensure you have a backup or a copy of the role's original configuration. Select the security role you wish to restore. Click on the Manage Roles button located in the command bar. The Manage Roles window will appear, presenting options to adjust the role settings. If available, select the option to import a role or revert to a previous version if a backup exists. Follow the prompts to import or restore the selected role. Once the restoration process is complete, review the role settings to ensure they align with your requirements. Be sure to verify the privileges and access levels assigned to the role. After confirming the settings, click the Save button to finalize any changes. Log out of the settings area and return to the main dashboard. Test the restored security role by assigning it to a user and checking their access. Make any additional adjustments as necessary based on the user feedback. This process will help ensure that your roles remain secure and functional in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.